Let's take a look at how teams or a group of people could use Microsoft Teams for their learning and development goals and projects. We've developed this Lern hack called Learning Boards for Teams. There's no magic behind it, and it's a very hands-on idea to keep track of your learning activities. I will briefly explain how it works. Go to your Microsoft Teams and add a planner tab to a team channel. Rename the tab, for example, Learning Board, or use any other title that works for you. As a team or individually, start adding buckets that you find useful and will support you in reaching your learning goal. As a reference, it might be helpful to keep your learning goal in the first bucket. When progressing towards your learning goal, adjust the buckets as needed and you see fit. Add tasks, set deadlines, share resources, or include any other activities that will help you monitor your progress and help you organize your team learning journey. You know best what works for you and what doesn't. On a final note, make sure to create a team learning board that fits your learning needs. There's no right or wrong. Adjust as you go. Happy learn hacking!